Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, but what we'll be doing actually may work on Chrysler 200 as well. Why? Because both of the vehicles, guys, they share the same platform. Many of the parts are interchangeable, so quite a few components will require exactly the same procedure to be removed and replaced. We'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace seatbelt pretensioner and where the seatbelt pretensioner is located. We'll demonstrate on the front left seatbelt, but the front right will be should be the same way as well. We'll be demonstrating on Dodge Dart. It may be helpful on Chrysler 200, but always verify and check your manual first, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get to the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, will be making at least 200 videos. Our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. All that will be there for your convenience. Now we'll demonstrate, guys, how to do the seatbelt pretensioner on the driver's side, right here. But the passenger side will be exactly the same way, guys. And we'll have a video how to test them as well. This is your seatbelt pretensioner. Stay with us. We'll get to it and we'll show you guys what needs to be done to remove it and replace it now. So, seatbelts, guys, are part of the airbag system. Before you start even working on it, disconnect your car battery at least for 1 hour before you start working on it. Why? That way you will minimize the opportunity for something to blow up, guys, and kill you. There is always a chance, so be extremely careful. If you're not qualified and certified to work on seatbelts and airbags, don't do it, guys. I would say just take it to a professional. Consider this entertaining video and not a how-to video, but we will show you how we do it here at the shop. We have our car battery disconnected. If you want to see how to do that the correct way, we have the video on the channel, so please, guys, check it out. Now, what we need to do, guys, let us show you. We remove the seat. You don't need to remove your seat. The only reason we remove the seat is so we can get more room and show you where things are here. But now we're going to start, guys. We need to go ahead and pop that panel loose now. With a clip removal tool. We actually have one more if we need it heavier duty. Now the same thing we'll need to apply to the rear. They have one more clip right there. I can see it. Perfect. And this one is loose now, guys. Now let me go to the other side. I want to go to the other side so I can show you with a great detail where things are, and you can see everything really easy. So I'm almost inside, just getting all my gear with me. So now, guys, right here, on top we have one cover that's going to come off. Just go ahead, grab it. Under that cover, guys, you're going to have a Torx 20 star looking bit. This is the 20 that we have. Go ahead, remove it all the way. Perfect. Now we should just have a few clips holding that piece in place. The two pieces should fall apart, guys. If you don't have enough room, you may need to remove the seat, but I think you can do all that without removing the seat. Perfect. Now this thing slides right here, you can see, and this is where the seat belt attaches on top. Now that's the whole bracket right here, guys. You can see you have two bolts on it. We need to remove the bottom piece as well. This bottom piece will need to come out all the way. So how we do that? We have two clips with a clip removal tool. We grab it there, pull it out. Perfect. We have a few on the bottom. Now that's where here things get a little bit more complicated, guys, because we have the seatbelt pretensioner here and we're going to see how that thing is going to come out. So now, guys, we need to separate the seatbelt from the seatbelt pretensioner down there. So that cover, I think it needs to open. We'll get a small screwdriver and we're going to pry that thing to see if it's going to open. We might have an extra bolt or something holding there. Looks like it's holding a little bit there, something. We have a few clips. So let's see why it doesn't want to come out, guys. it went in on this side again. We need to figure out which one needs to come out, the little one or the big one. One of those will stay there and the other one will come off. So we need to really figure out, okay, the little cap needs to go up, I think, from what it seems. We'll get a little bit of a bigger tool, right? Okay, just a few clips holding it in place, guys. Now, check it out. This is a complicated mechanism. The two pieces will fall apart somehow here. We'll need to turn it. So what we need to do, we need to open now, okay, this mechanism here. You have to inspect everything, make sure this is the correct thing for your vehicle, guys, everything, because those, if it breaks, what could happen actually, okay, if it breaks, guys, it may malfunction if it's not installed correctly, and later your seatbelt may come loose, so you have to be extremely careful. So now, guys, right here there is a mechanism inside, a white mechanism that we'll need to push counterclockwise. At the same time, we'll need to, I believe we'll need to grab that with the pliers. From what we figured out, I don't know if that's the correct thing, so always consult your manual. Okay, turn it, and it comes out. Check it out now. The seatbelt and the pretensioners, okay, they're separated now, so we don't need to worry about that. You can see it's not too complicated, but you just need to know how to do it. And we can feed that thing out of there as well. Perfect. Once we separate the seatbelt from the pretensioner, we can continue with the next step. Now, not very complicated at all. We have one bolt on the bottom with Torx 50, I think, Torx 50 star looking bit. Okay, perfect. And we'll go ahead, okay, and just get it loose. Car battery has to be disconnected, guys, remember. At least 1 hour before you do anything like that. So we go ahead, get it loose. We'll show you how to disconnect the wire, and something that you should ever do. We'll show you what it is. Those tend to be pretty tight, guys. You often need to use thread locker. And this is a compound that you put on the bolt so it doesn't get loose from vibrations. We will have the one, okay, in the description of the video below. They have different strength, so just check out the one that you need. Okay, you can see how hard that thing comes off. This is because of the thread locker. Okay, it's getting loose now. Way easier. So what we'll do, we'll just get a little impact and try to do it with it. Perfect. Now, guys, we have to be careful how we disconnect, okay, how we disconnect the wire. Never ever use metal tools or anything like that, ever, guys. But in our case, we don't have a small plastic one. You have to grab that red piece, okay, that red piece, and pull it up. But I can't, guys. So what I will do, I will actually get a small screwdriver and pry it up. I usually go in the front, but if you guys do it the wrong way and if something goes bad, you can explode that thing because that's a metal tool. Never ever use metal screwdriver. Now don't twist, just grab. You can go left and right a little bit and it comes out. And this is, guys, the seatbelt pretensioner. That's how you guys remove it. If you need to install it, everything is in reverse order. We took it apart, use some thread locker, check the torque specs and all that. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.